Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. I am Wafik Aziza from class A with ID number A121210118. Now I want to tell you about traditional wedding from Selayar. Marriage in the Selayar tribe. The marriage system that has been passed down from generation uh, to generation in Selayar is generally monogamy and prohibit polygamy. The pattern of choosing a mate that seems the most ideal is to choose a prospective wife or husband in the environment and line on descendants. The endogamous partner selection model has been practiced for a long time, but it does not rule out the possibility that some community members choose couples outside the family. For information, people from Selayar do stage before marriage. Stage before marriage, uh, aku tak nang, or searching for information. Aku tak nang is an activity to find information with the aim of to find out if the chosen girl hasn't been bidding it, whether there is a possibility of being accepted into the application, and then Asura or a play after aku tak nang, then on the day that has been determined again, the messenger ordered to meet the woman, while the prospective groom not allowed to come to bride's house. In this event, the men have brought rings, necklaces, or other types of gold and money. The money here is not panic money, but as things that the party women have accepted proposal from men. For step 3, patantu alo, or determining the time. This means for consider several factors such as free time, and if the bride and groom employees will then choose vacation time, for example. And then Baung Ombongang. In the evening, there was a Baung Ombongang event. This event is also taking place festive because the family and the groom come to visit the bride's house with the head of the village and the fight of the village. Even the woman waiting for the arrival of the man along with the village head and the village fight. Lalu or Mapaci, the Taralu or Mapacing event is held the night before the wedding. Taralu or Mapaci means clean. This ceremony is a ritual of using leaves, girlfriend, or in Selayar language is called pasiranga to the bride. Before the wedding, Mapaci event is held by putting leaves, girlfriends, or pasiranga into the hands of the bride and groom with the aim of pairing themselves. And then akad nikah, the marriage contract is an agreement that lasts between the parties who holding marriage in the form of ijab and kabul. Ijab kabul is a marriage guardian from the bride's side to marry her. The man who will marry his son saying one time consent and kabul smoothly is its own habit for the two parties of bride and groom, which is married by words Alhamdulillah. For after marriage, people from Selayar do stage after marriage. Stage after marriage After completing the contract and the series, the bride and groom side by side. The isles the husband prepared to wait and greet the guest invitation. As for the things that must be prepared and brought by the man, so the wedding ceremony is uh, Prigrat Sunrang or Drawry and Mama Karuang is collecting egg with certain money and Mappa is a cup that opens for filled with money and Pumpung is a basket filled with money wrapped in a white cloth. I think that's all from me. Thank you for your opportunity and see you.